Good, happy Sunday morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this up here. Fire officials urge residents to change batteries in smoke detectors aimed daylight saving time. First responders see daylight saving time as a time to save lives. They're urging people to keep their smoke and carbon monoxide detectors working properly. This time of year, officials are urging residents to change batteries in their detectors. Earlier this month, firefighters in Hudson said working smoke alarms helped to save a young family from a fire. They heard the alarms and got out of the burning building just in time. Officials say anytime people can self-evaluate, they can focus on putting the fire out. The Red Cross will hold its Sound the Alarm event in Keene in May. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.